Welcome to the world of digital marketing in 2023. The landscape is constantly changing and evolving, and it's more important than ever to have a solid strategy in place to help your business succeed. One of the key trends we're seeing in 2023 is the importance of personalization. Consumers want to feel like they are being spoken to directly, and tailoring your messaging to specific segments of your audience can help you stand out. Another trend to watch out for is the rise of voice search and smart home devices. With more and more people using voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, it's important to optimize your website and content for voice search. In 2023, it's also important to have a strong presence on social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook continue to be major players in the digital marketing space, and understanding how to effectively use them can help you reach a wider audience. But perhaps the most important trend of all is the need for authenticity and transparency. Consumers today want to know that the brands they support to align with their values, and being open and honest about your business practices can help build trust and loyalty. So there you have it, some of the key trends and strategies to keep in mind as you navigate the world of digital marketing in 2023. Remember to stay adaptable, stay authentic, and stay ahead of the curve. Marketing strategy for new business. Starting a new business is an exciting and challenging endeavor. One of the most important aspects of building a successful business is creating a strong digital marketing strategy. The first step in creating a digital marketing strategy is to research your target audience and understand their needs and behaviors. This will help you determine the best channels to reach them through. Once you know who your target audience is, you can start building your online presence through channels like social media and your website. Your website should be designed with your target audience in mind and should be easy to navigate and use. It should also be optimized for search engines to help potential customers find your business online. Email marketing is another effective way to reach your target audience and keep them engaged with your business. By sending regular updates and promotions, you can build a loyal customer base. It's important to regularly measure the success of your digital marketing efforts and make adjustments as needed. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track website traffic, social media engagement, and conversions. By researching your target audience, building an online presence through channels like social media and your website, and regularly measuring your success, you can create a strong digital marketing strategy that will help your new business thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all new